Hey there, it's Cindy here. I'm holding my camera funny because we just got our floors redone and my office isn't set up yet. But I wanted to take a minute to just send you a little message and let you know, in case you didn't, that tonight is the last day to register for Make a Splash Self-Publishing, Test the Waters Before Diving In. And this is my course that teaches you how to self-publish, from author branding to finding an editor and promotion. I think it's pretty fun. It has 12 lessons, and with each lesson there's a video plus a PDF guide. And at the end of each lesson, you make a decision on which tools you want to do, tools you want to use, which route you want to go. And then as you go through the course, you fill in your self-publishing plan. So at the very end, you know where you're going, how long it's going to take you, what it will cost. And you'll have a sense as to how many books you might sell as a new author, what the royalties will be, and all of that kind of thing. One thing I wanted to make sure that you knew was that through Amazon, you can order author copies. And so at a reduced price, you can order, say, 30 to 50 copies that you can use for signing. So that's kind of neat. And then technology, of course, is always something that people worry about. So I tried to put some handy tips and tricks in the course on that. So the cart is closing at midnight tonight. This will be my last live launch for quite a while. So if you are interested in doing live Q&A sessions with me every Thursday during the 3 weeks of the course, now's the time to sign up. You can enroll at cindyfolkauthor.com/enroll. ENROLL. And I guess that's it for now. I'd love to help you with your dream of writing and publishing a book. And so if you have any questions, just shoot me off an email at cindy@cindyfolkauthor.com. Thanks. Bye-bye.